Welcome to TME Fabrication and Welding. We are a family-run business based in Milton Keynes and servicing all surrounding areas within a 70-mile radius. We have over 25 years combined experience between our team within the commercial industry and our domestic customers. Some of our services include bespoke gate manufacturing and automation, balconies, railings, staircases, mezzanine floors, palisade fencing, all aspects of steelwork and architectural work. We also supply an on-site fabrication and welding service. All of our work is guaranteed, and we offer a 10-year guarantee on all of our galvanized products. Not only do we do fabrication, but we also offer a refurbishing service for your old gates. We are members of the Guild of Master Craftsmen, and all members of our team are City and Guilds qualified. For further information and quotations, please give us a call on 01908 866 903 or 07970 595 289.